Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm here with my November Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm going to be going through all of the products that I got this month and I'm going to be testing them out for you guys on camera. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'm also doing a huge giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link in my description box below. So for those of you guys who do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service. So every month you get a box like this, and it comes with a bunch of different makeup products in it. Boxycharm has a lot of really nice brands and full-size products. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into all of the products. I'm gonna first start out with the product that I'm not gonna be using today. I'm gonna be passing this on to you guys, and that's because I already have some of these and I just feel like I'm not gonna get that much use out of it, but I feel like someone else would like this just more than I would. It is the Cover FX glitter drops. These are very, very pretty. These are in the shade Nova. The reason I'm not really gonna use this is because I have like some of the other custom drops like this from Cover FX, but I feel like the shade is just too dark for me to use on my face and I don't see myself really using this. So I'm gonna be probably putting this in one of my future giveaways, but this was really nice to get in the box. The price of the Cover FX glitter drops is $44, which is very, very expensive. I knew they were expensive, I just didn't remember them being that expensive, but it says that you can use these alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer, and you can also use them on your body. Oh, and by the way, the theme this month is like really cute. Like I really like it a lot. So we get this card every month, and the theme this month is a gold digger, but like instead of gold digger, you know? So everything is gold in the box, which I think is really cute. I'm like really into that. So the next thing we got is an eyeshadow palette, and I saw like a little like sneak peek of this palette and I am like really excited about it. It's from the brand, I think it's just called Ace Beauty, and this is $24.99. So the outer packaging is really pretty. I like that it's glossy and black and gold. And then when you slide off the outer cover, the actual eyeshadow palette is like a matte black, which I kind of like the glossy like version better. But I think it's cool that they made them a little bit different. And then inside you get 8 eyeshadows. And these are like right up my alley. I really like eyeshadows like this. This is a really pretty like warm toned palette. This is really, really nice for the fall time. So I think it's really good that they included this in the November box. I do not like that it does not have a mirror. I think palettes without a mirror just, I don't know, they're just like cheap to me. Like it's an eyeshadow palette, it should have a mirror. So we're gonna go ahead and start testing this out, but I did get something else that I wanna use with this palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. So I got this Luxie brush set, and I was actually gonna like pass these along because I was not really like into them based on the pictures that I saw, but seeing them in person, they are so pretty. I love just this little bag that they come in too. So all of the brushes are gold. These are all eye brushes. This is their Luminous Eye set, and the price of this brush set is $21. So this brush set comes with 4 little eye brushes, and they are seriously so pretty. So the handle is like this really pretty like gold glitter. So there is a flat angled brush, a mini angled brush. So we have 2 angled brushes, and then a tapered like blending brush, which I really like this one. It's like a fluffy blending brush, but it's very small. And then the last one is a mini round brush, and this would be really nice for either like highlighting your inner corner and brow bone, or like smudging color under the lower lash line. All right, so going back over to the eyeshadow palette, I think I'm first gonna start out with this like peachy pink shade called Clove. I'm going to be taking that shade on a big fluffy blending brush. This is my Morphe E27 brush, just because I always like to go in with a really big brush first, and all of the Luxie brushes are really small. So I'm just going to start by blending this all throughout my crease. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to be taking one of those Luxie brushes that I got in my box. This is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm going to first start by putting this on my outer corner, and then I'm going to start to slowly blend this into my crease. I'm wanting to keep this shade lower than the previous one. This brush feels a little stiff. Wow. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Poppy, which is like a really pretty deep burgundy. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. I'm probably mainly just going to keep this like closer to my outer corner. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Jasmine, which is like a really pretty like champagne color. And I'm just going to put this on the inner part of my eye. Wow, that's really pretty. When I'm just like putting my finger in the palette, it feels very buttery and soft. Now I'm going to use the shade Primrose, which is like a deep gold. So far, so good, you guys. I'm actually really liking all of the eyeshadows that I've used so far. I feel like last Boxycharm, I think it was, one of my more recent Boxycharms, I had a really bad experience with it. Yeah, it was the last Boxycharm. I did not like the eyeshadow palette, but this one is much better. So now I'm gonna take the Lexi 131, which is like the fluffier angled brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the shade Poppy. And I'm going to kind of blend this along the edges of the shimmery shades just to kind of blend it in with my crease. And kind of deepen back up that outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Lexi 111. This is the mini flat angled brush. And I'm going to pick up the shade Clove. And I'm just going to blend this all underneath my lower lash line. This brush is actually very soft. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Poppy again, and I'm just going to press this right up against my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to use the last Lexi brush that I got. This is the mini round brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Jasmine, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner. So far I am super impressed with this eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera and I will be right back. Alright, so the next thing that I got in my box this month is an eyeliner. This is the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. The price of this eyeliner is $5. We have gotten products from this brand before and I did not like it. I think it might have been an eyeliner actually, like a gray eyeliner. And I did not like it at all. So the packaging of it is super pretty. I really like the black and gold. And it is a black eyeliner and there's like little glitter specks in it. I'm really curious if the glitter is gonna show up. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. It's just not very soft. Very hard. So you can actually see the glitter. I mean, it's definitely not the blackest eyeliner that I've used, but it's not bad. It's just a little hard. So the next thing that I got in my box are a pair of lashes. This is actually the last thing that came in the box. These are from the brand Lashaholic. These are their Insta Glam false lashes and these retail for $14.99. So these are premium silk lashes. So I'm actually really excited about this. I'm obsessed with the packaging of this too. It's white and gold and the inside is like sparkly and gold. These lashes also look really pretty. So here is what the lash looks like. It is very long and like thin and wispy. It's not like a style of lash I would normally go for, but I do think it's pretty. The lash band is also very thin, so it's definitely gonna be on the like easier side for those of you guys who don't wear lashes, for you guys to like apply, because lashes with thicker bands are definitely a lot harder to apply. These went on very, very easy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash and then my brows off camera, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts. So that is everything that I got in my box for the month of November. Overall, I am really impressed with this month's box. I feel like maybe like the last two boxes were not the best, but this month I really liked everything we got minus the eyeliner. That is the only thing that I'm not really liking. It's already starting to kind of like come off, and I've only been wearing it for probably like 20 minutes now. Everything else though was really, really good. My favorite thing would have to probably be the brush set. I really liked all of these brushes, and I'm obsessed with the gold packaging, so I'm definitely the most excited for these. And then I'm also really liking the eyeshadow palette. All of the shades performed really nicely on my eyes. I didn't really have any trouble blending or anything like that. The shimmery shades were also really pretty as well without having to like wet a brush. I just used my finger and they looked great. I also really like the lashes. They're a little bit longer than what I would normally wear, but I think that they do look really pretty. And then the product that I didn't use, but I also think is really exciting just to get in a box, is the Cover FX glitter drops. So overall, I'm really happy with my box this month. Leave me a comment down below with what you got in your Boxycharm. I'm not sure if there were like variations between the boxes, or if like some of the shades for these glitter drops were different. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys got. As always, I will have all of the products that I mentioned in this video linked in my description box below if you want to check any of them out. And I also have my social media accounts linked there, like my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page if you want to follow me on those as well. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.